Welcome to the MSC Seashore Yacht Club tour. We're on a 4-day cruise in the yacht club and we've had an absolute blast. We can't wait to show you around. We really enjoyed the yacht club.
Yeah, I would definitely do it again, for sure. I wish it was longer. 4
Yeah.
days is not long enough.
Definitely.
But that being said, we got a lot of ship to see, so let's go.
Let's take you around. Okay, here is the exclusive yacht club pool, which I gotta say, I loved having our own little quiet pool. And a lot of the times we went out and it was just like chaos out there, a lot of partying going on. Then we came in here and it's just like our own little
Chill
serenity.
vibes.
Yeah, it's good. It's great.
Yeah, and the pool's
then-
nice and warm.
Yeah, it's warm. It's not adults only,
That is true.
but which would be nice. But it still is, quiet for the most part. There's not a ton of kids that hang out here.
I was gonna say, like, the kids that are in here are having a good time. Like, there wasn't a ton of adults. They usually just kind of like dip in and get out, whereas the kids are like throwing little balls and jumping in and like having the best time.
And then over here you have a kind of like a snack buffet area.
Yeah,
And
they
that's-
serve a breakfast and lunch
Yep.
and dinner here.
They had the best burgers there. I would say if they could have this burger with the Carnival Guys Burgers toppings, then that would be just the best. And this right here is the yacht club bar. It's been nothing but great service and
Great service. They'll come to your pool chair. They'll bring you your drinks. I actually want to correct myself too because I said they serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner at this buffet here, but they actually just serve breakfast, lunch, and snacks.
no dinner, yeah.
yeah.
But they have real
service has been
coffee over
great.
here,
Yeah.
which is great. You can get like espresso lattes, whatever you want, guys. Like you just ask for it. One thing that I really like too is you can see they just have like a case of water sitting there, so you just like walk up and grab water.
Yeah, that has been clutch. Like coming off of Norwegian Pearl, where it was like you couldn't get a bottle of water if you tried. It's been so nice to just have water everywhere you go.
One of the things that's just like a really nice touch too is like you come out, the chairs already have these like folded up beautiful towels on them. They're so comfortable. And
It's nice not to think about like your towel. It's just here for you.
And then they have the tables in between, which is great for your drinks. Just perfect.
And they're very cushy, like nice chairs. Very
Very easy to
comfortable.
wind down in here.
As I say, these are great napping chairs.
Yeah. And then guys, have you ever been on a cruise where you just couldn't get in the hot tub? Because that happens to us
I have.
all the time. And there are 2 hot tubs in this yacht club area. We'll show you the first one.
They're pretty
which
good
is just
size too.
This beautiful hot tub that's kind of like hanging on this side of the edge, just kind of poking out of the ship a little bit.
Just a smidge.
Yeah, but it's a good size. It's never packed. We had never any issues getting into a hot tub. It was a nice change.
That was one thing I liked about Yacht Club too, is like there's only so many people for the area so that it doesn't feel as congested.
You can always get a chair, always get in the hot tub. Really good. And then check out this view up here. Once you're up here, and as you can see, it just comes out of the ship a little bit, and then you just get beautiful views here.
Nassau is gorgeous, and like I can't wait for this little whatever
This,
they're
the
building
Royal
here.
Caribbean
Is this the
thing
Royal
here?
Caribbean one?
Yep.
It's gonna be pretty great. Like that water is just, every time we walk by it, I just want to dive right in there.
Another really cool thing is, guys, you usually pay like
hundreds of dollars for these kinds
close
of
to
things.
$1,000 to have one of these things, like on a sea day. Well, they're included in the yacht club. It's first come, first serve. You just
first come, first serve.
go in and take a nice little nap.
Yeah, honestly, you want to close this off, have a little shade, have a little sleep.
Is it any different than the...
Same kind of material as like the pool chairs.
Yeah,
they're very comfortable. I just like that it's free. Yes.
And then as we come to the very forward of the yacht club, we have hot tub number 2.
Just the best one. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Check this out. So it's a really big size as well. And it's beautiful because like you're just overlooking the water here.
Nice clear shot of the beautiful water.
And they do a good job of having these like glass barriers. So it's not like super windy.
It's one thing I'm noticing about MSC Seashore overall is that it's very modern. There's like a lot of chrome accents. It just feels very elevated.
Yeah.
And not just in Yacht Club.
Okay, as we make our way down to deck 18, look how beautiful it is in this area too. Very pretty. And they have this like beautiful long hallway. We're making our way to the yacht club restaurant.
Like I
Which
said,
we
like
ate at twice.
all these like nice finishings, like even just having like walls of mirrors, like just feels elevated and elegant. It's a very nice little area.
And here's the Yacht Club restaurant, which the food here was absolutely phenomenal. It felt like specialty dining in here.
It did.
And the windows all around. We were here at sunset one time and it was just
The first
beautiful.
night, oh my gosh, it was amazing.
Yeah, and then right into the restaurant, you have
I'm
like,
obsessed with these
I know,
staircases.
they do have these staircases like all over the place, but they're, what are they,
Swarovski's crystals
Yeah.
or something, like the light catches them and they're just stunning. I want these in our house.
And here's the
Yacht Club
Lounge.
bar and
Yeah.
lounge.
So,
We had some delicious cocktails here yesterday.
and they always have like snacks right here. I mean, you get great service in here. It's a good place to come for like a pre-dinner cocktail, that sort of thing.
There was a piano player and singer last night.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh,
live
they were
music every
So
night.
lovely.
It's
What have they got?
really great.
Just really like the comfortable seating too, and like with Ryan being tall, the couches with the high
Oh
back.
yeah, that was nice.
That's why we were able to sit here for like as long as we did yesterday. They were just very comfy. This is probably the coolest area.
Yeah, they have this like secret outdoor area.
Yeah. Got loungers, more loungers, with this gorgeous view, and I love that they've got like turf.
Yeah.
So you feel like you're outside.
The
But then-
coolest thing was last night, yeah.
Yeah, check out yesterday's vlog because at night, these actually light up. Like
Yeah.
the tables light up, the chairs light up, and so you're sitting here and it's just this vibe. It's
Yeah.
so cool. I really
think like
it.
yeah, if you're not sailing, it's a great place, but probably even with the barriers, I think it felt a little windy,
It was
but
a little windy yesterday. It was also just like an insanely windy day yesterday, but
yeah. But still, great little area here.
so cool.
Okay, and this is the concierge area. A couple things about this area that's really cool.
It's an
One,
important area.
you have your own private elevator. Now it only does go within the yacht club, but
does.
if you need from 16 to 20, you're good to go. You don't have to wait ever.
No,
And then the concierge area is amazing because they like help you out with
everything.
literally everything you need.
Anything you need.
Like Kaylin broke a nail, she got
I
nail
did.
glue there. We ordered pizza from there. We got escorts to the dining room and the theater from there. Like just
Very exclusive.
yeah.
You're treated very royally.
I know. And I gotta say, sometimes I've waited in a guest service line for like 20, 30
Oh
minutes.
gosh, yeah.
And now there's never a soul here.
No.
It's
It's
fantastic.
a very nice area. They also, can't see right now, but they've got like some very high-end shopping kind of up the stairs. So you can get
Yeah.
like Cartier, you can get really expensive watches. They got nice sunglasses, champagne, or not champagne, perfume. So you can spend some money in here too.
And then it's just like a beautiful area here. And here's the entrance to the yacht club. So
Very nice.
yeah, and then all you do is you scan your wristband, it unlocks, and voila, you can enter. Okay, and what has to be one of the best perks of the yacht club is, guys, there's a secret scanner underneath.
Well, first we'll show them, like if you're just a regular person, you don't have this bracelet and you want to go to deck 14.
14, car
There's
C.
car C is arriving.
C.
Right
Yeah.
now it's quiet, but if I wanted to go,
She
scan my
scans the
bracelet,
14, car
get-
D.
it's
D.
And it's
right
already
open.
here.
It's already here.
So what happens is it comes right to you as a yacht club member.
Yeah.
You don't have to wait. You don't like share the elevator with anyone. It's
Nope.
like very selfish and amazing.
It's amazing. Like I think we shared an elevator with only 2 people, and they were also yacht club.
Yeah.
So like we didn't see anybody in the elevator.
It's perfect. So as yacht club, you also get access to this Oria area. So Kayla's gonna scan us through, and
Yeah.
we'll go bring it to the kind of pool deck
I think
area.
it's called like the Top 19 Exclusive Solarium.
Yeah, let's check it out. So we've walked through this area, but we
Yeah.
didn't really spend any real time in here.
I feel like we needed to take more advantage of this area because it is
Yeah.
dead quiet.
Yeah, so I would say like the biggest benefit here is like the amount of hot tubs they have in this area,
Yeah.
and
Also
just
the
how quiet
chairs.
it is.
The chairs have
Oh yeah, this was cool.
this feature where if you're, I don't know how to
It's okay, I think they get
lock
the,
it in, but
yeah.
it's got like a little sun cover for your head. So if
Yeah.
you don't want sun on your face, you just put this guy up and it shades your face.
I think that's really nice because too, they just don't have any like natural shade or anywhere to like hide from the sun on this deck, it seems.
Yes.
So it's great that they brought those chairs in.
And the other amazing thing about this area is they have these 2 beautiful whirlpool hot tubs kind of overlooking the edge of the
Yeah. And they're
water.
big size, guys. Like,
Yeah.
I did see them. They do get a little busy for this area because I find a lot of people who are here, this is where they go.
Yeah.
But still, since there's 2 here, that didn't seem to be a problem if you wanted to get in.
Yeah, and I believe we're going to actually walk around to the other side of this. I believe there's another 2 hot tubs on that side.
And another great thing about this area is they have their own bar, the Oreo bar.
Nice and quiet. It looks like they have the
Yeah.
espresso machine
Very
in
beautiful.
there.
Everything in here is like right in my alley. It's like
Yeah.
modern, clean.
Upscale. Look
Yeah.
at these little couches you can sit on. They got
Yep.
day bed area.
Great little conversation like cabana things. And then a bunch of seating here. And then we're gonna go check out the other area down there, which
Now,
Kayla was right. We
there-
think there's a couple more hot tubs.
I don't know if it is part of this area though, because it looks like we're about to walk out of it into like the general area. So I think this hot tub is actually part of the regular side of the ship.
Oh, okay.
Yep, it is.
You know what though? They're close enough that it
Yeah.
still kind of works.
And those are also pretty empty. One is completely empty, and the other has like 1 person in it. So,
Nice.
yeah.
And then
lots of
you just
options.
scan in here to come
Yeah.
into the exclusive area. Okay, room 16047.
Yeah, so Roberto walked us here, and then we told him we're like, we have to show everybody
Yeah,
our
and
room.
we want to
so.
see it together. So, but first, I think the room's Grand Deluxe Suite or just Deluxe Suite. I can't exactly recall the name, but that's what we're in. So,
Does it say on here?
doesn't matter.
It doesn't, but
Go ahead and bring us in.
It's going to be
Let's
the
go.
best room we've ever
Yeah.
had, that's for sure. Okay. So apparently, oh my lord,
Oh my God.
I have to do this for the lights. Okay. Wow.
Oh my God. This
It's definitely the biggest room we've ever had.
is amazing.
Holy crap. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I just love how they separated the space here. That's sweet.
At this balcony. Dude. It's as long as the room.
That is wide.
Okay,
too.
hold on. It is very
I wish
wide.
they had lounger chairs though. Oh
Like,
man,
hello, I live here.
that is awesome.
Wow.
Okay, so we haven't looked around, so
Yeah,
we're doing this live with you guys,
with
basically.
you guys. I've
Kayla
never been
loves the
happier.
robes.
I love
Yeah.
a robe. I love a house coat. All the things like they're right here for you. You don't have to call and ask for them. Bless. They also look like they have a do not disturb light and a makeup room light outside.
Oh,
so there's
that's
not
nice.
like a thing
I
that you
wonder
have
if
to put
that's
on the door.
throughout the ship or just yacht club.
Great question. We should find out.
Mm-hmm.
If you know, let us know. The other thing I
like a little
noticed is
space
like
here, yeah.
this is the perfect space to just kind of like shove your luggage. Once you've
Yeah.
unpacked, you can just kind of roll it under and it's not in the way. Also a great spot to check your outfit because
Yeah,
it's
true.
fully mirrored. I am dying to open this door because this is the bathroom.
Yeah.
I've heard stories. So lights are
Yeah, I
beyond.
turned the light on.
Holy crap.
Oh my God.
So
this
just-
is incredible.
this is bigger than our house bathroom. But like just the finishings,
beautiful.
like the stone, the mirror. Oh, Ryan.
I know. I've seen the shower in previous videos. There's a seat and a rainfall shower.
Oh, I didn't even see the rainfall.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah. You know, it's great when you've had too much to drink and you just need to sit down while you're showering.
You know what? Maybe today because they just keep giving you drinks. Like,
Yeah.
I can't keep up.
This is awesome.
And we're both in here at the same time. And there's like a little like there's just room for your stuff. There's actual storage. Like
Yeah, there's more
my
like shelf
gosh,
storage
there's-
here too.
more there. Yeah, this is the biggest bathroom I've seen on a cruise ship, personally. Okay, so outside of the bathroom, we've got our closet.
Okay, but yeah, pretty standard. I like that there's lights in here. Very nice.
Oh yeah, it is nice.
Yeah, it's good,
Light up. This is only a 4-day, so this will
Yeah.
be fine.
We came in a carry-on, guys. So
We did.
first time.
My first time ever. Oh, an espresso machine.
Yeah, that is clutch. I like that. But I'm gonna tell Roberto coffee delivered 8 a.m.
I honestly
You
don't
know,
even know
every
how to use
morning.
that, but that's exciting. And then water that doesn't have a price tag on it,
That's wonderful.
which is nice. Bedside tables. Looks like there's a
Yeah,
light.
I love the lights and the bedside lights here.
I don't
pretty cool.
see phone chargers or USBs or anything.
There was
like-
one on the other side.
Oh, there is. Oh,
Yeah, I could see it
you
now.
clocked it already.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The
Okay.
USB plug right there.
But there is a ton of plugs in this area, so
yeah,
that kind of
right over here. That's kind of what you're working with. Couple plugs, couple USBs.
Some
There's
more.
even the European ones on this side.
More storage over here, so if you're looking for space, and then I guess a little makeup desk and chair here.
Yeah,
And then,
that's a huge mirror. I like that.
yeah, it is massive. Then we've got our TV. And
Big
then
TV too.
what I've heard is this minibar is supposed to be
Yeah.
stocked.
Okay, check. I saw in a video that there was a Toblerone inside, and I'm very interested.
Love Toblerone.
Toblerone delivered on the daily.
Oh,
There
there's
it is.
one. And more water. And
Yeah.
then it looks like there's some
Yeah, some
juices,
soda.
teas, Sprite, Coke, Fanta, some beers.
Just need to tell them to stock that up with Michelob's.
That's incredible. Wow. Oh, and there's, oh my gosh.
Oh, there's like actually dishes and stuff.
Like legit
Oh,
cutlery.
wow.
And cups.
Oh, there's Pringles there.
mixed nuts.
You see the Pringles?
Yeah. I was
Cool.
excited about these little nuts. But yeah, this is very fancy. This
Yeah.
is not what we're used to.
Personally, I don't know if everyone's gonna love this as much as me, but sometimes I do editing here, and I just love how having the separate space there.
Or like when I'm getting ready, you want to sit
Yeah.
and just like wait. Like you get
I
your
always get
view.
up before Kayla too, so it's
Always.
nice for me to like come over to this area and just like hang out. Plus with the wide balcony, like, oh, it's awesome.
Also, I saw something over here, and I'm not sure if it's a thing, but is that a wireless charging thing?
Oh yeah, that looks like one.
That is cool. So
Yeah.
that can do the phone. Oh, and there's more.
Yeah, I already
Chargers.
pointed
Oh,
those
you did?
out.
Okay.
Yeah, and then there's like more closet space here.
Oh.
Yeah, and yeah, I
just
threw my bag in there.
Oh.
And there's a safe. So, and drawers. So like you could have a closet and I
Yeah.
could have a closet. That's the dream.
This is how couples stay together. This is a good closet space.
Yeah.
And then the balcony, which we kind of showed like a second ago because I was too
Yeah.
excited to wait. But it is a pretty wide balcony. Like I could do a full cartwheel across this. I'm not going to, but I could.
Yeah, I
all
just
the
think
way
it'd
to
be
the
cooler if there were
event.
like actual full-size lounger chairs, but
You know what though?
that's not bad.
Yeah. This is where you'll find me.
Okay, that concludes our MSC Yacht Club kind of ship tour on the MSC Seashore.
If you want to see more Seashore,
Yeah.
check out our next
And more, yacht club experiences, make sure to check out our vlogs. And we're going to do a review for the yacht club and let you guys know if we thought it was worth it. But that's it for our ship tour. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe. You can also follow us on Instagram at Ryan and Kayla. But until next time.
Bye.